Skincare has to be the most talked about topic on the internet. Yet most people are confused about what exactly they must do to achieve glowing and flawless skin like that of beauty bloggers and celebrities. ShaadiSaga is committed to bringing the best to you. And today, we talk about the most popular topic, tips and tricks for healthy, flawless, and glowing skin. All you need is a little knowledge, some patience, a willingness to change unhealthy lifestyle patterns, and a little time to invest every day to have the skin of your dreams. You won't find the secrets of how to get glowing skin in the pan of a highlighter palette. That's not to say there aren't products that melt into your skin to fake that dewy, lit from within look. Rather, getting a complexion that permanently looks as though you're fresh off vacation, which is to say, healthy, radiant, and clear, is a combination of product, practice, and patience. In today's video, we're going to show you useful tips for glowing skin. Without further ado, let's begin. Drink enough water always. You must have already heard that the human body consists of more than 70% water, and it is important to drink enough every day for all bodily functions, including maintaining a healthy weight to energy levels, flushing toxins out of the body, and keeping your skin healthy. Not staying adequately hydrated can lead to dry and flaky skin, and dry skin is prone to wrinkles and signs of aging. While it is recommended to drink 10 to 12 glasses or 3 liters of water every day, you can also maintain your daily hydration needs by drinking juices and eating foods with rich water content. Please note that if you have signs like a dull look, fine lines, and wrinkles that develop when you gently pinch your lip, itchy skin, or overly sensitive skin, you can tell your skin is dehydrated. You must moisturize your skin every day. While water keeps your skin hydrated from the inside, you must keep your skin moisturized to keep its surface healthy and hydrated. Your skin, especially on your face, ears, and neck, suffer damage due to pollution, UV rays, and other environmental factors, and thus needs to repair and rejuvenate itself. A good moisturizer will help the new cells to rise to the surface. Sunscreens are saviors. A common and bizarre misconception is that they are important for the skin only in the summer. A good sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV and IR rays is essential throughout the year. Other than protecting your skin from the harmful sun rays, but also helps you to maintain an even skin tone, prevent signs of aging, and even prevent skin cancer. Experts also suggest wearing sunscreen on the days on which you plan to stay indoors too. Exfoliate at least twice a week. Right after you cleanse your skin, the next step is to exfoliate. Use a scrub that suits your skin type. In case you have acne-prone skin, make sure that you are using a very gentle scrub. Skin that is not exfoliated gathers up to 10 times more weight with clogged pores and dead skin cells. A good scrub can eliminate the top layer of dead skin cells, thereby allowing new healthy cells to be created. Blood circulation is also improved to make it soft, smooth, and youthful. Remember to not exfoliate more than twice a week. Cleanse your skin regularly. This one goes without saying. Cleaning your body parts, including your skin, is extremely important for the skin to appear healthy and glowing. A good cleaning will help to remove dirt settled on your skin and prepare it for the products that you plan to use after it. Make it a point to cleanse your skin both in the morning and night with a face wash that is suitable for your skin rather than soap, which makes your skin dry by stripping off the moisture. Remove makeup before hitting your bed. Before going to bed, do not forget to remove all traces of makeup from your face. Sleeping on will clog the pores with makeup, leading to pimples and breakouts. It will also make the skin appear dead and dull. For makeup removal, you can use an alcohol-free cleanser. Some people prefer using an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup. You must take special care of certain areas. You need to pay attention to those special areas that show early signs of aging, such as the neck, eyes, and hands. Gradually, the skin around the neck and hands becomes loose and dark circles, and puffiness under the eyes can be detected. These are the initial symptoms of skin aging. Throw away the expired skin products. Do not use very old beauty products, creams, equipment, etc. Before purchasing and using the product, always verify the expiry date. As it contaminates and makes it dangerous for personal use, try not to share your makeup with others. Change your skincare products according to the seasons. With the change of season, that is, it is a good idea to adjust your skincare routines. During summers, switch to oil power face packs and wash and light toners. Opt for antibacterial and deep cleaning facial washes for monsoons. Switch to hydrating foot care lotions and moisturizing skincare items during winter. To help keep your skin nourished and smooth, use deep nutritive toners and lip balms. Be a skin conscious. We cannot emphasize enough the importance of skincare. You must be very conscious about choosing the products to include in your skincare regimes. Not only the skincare products are different for different skin types, in other words, for dry, oily, combination, and normal skin, but some products can also react to your skin, giving you acne and pimples. Whenever trying a new product, always buy in a very small quantity to check whether the product suits your skin. Sheet masks are your best friends. Your skin needs its weekly boost of hydration. While there are many ways to hydrate your skin, including drinking enough water, eating healthy, and maintaining your daily skincare routine, you can give your skin an extra boost of hydration via sheet masks twice a week. Move beyond your neck. Most people, while talking about skincare, forget to mention that the maintenance of skin is not limited to the face alone. You must take care of your skin on the rest of your body, especially your arms and legs. Invest in a good body wash. Exfoliate once in a while. And don't forget to moisturize your skin daily. We repeat, never skip your night skincare routine. During the daytime, you expose your skin to toxins, UV rays, dirt, and dust. Your skin gets the opportunity to undo the damage at night, rejuvenate, and create new cells. Therefore, before reaching the pillow, you must completely remove any signs of dirt and old makeup from your face. You help your biggest organ to heal itself more efficiently and better by adopting a nighttime skincare routine. The work you put into cleansing, moisturizing, and nourishing your skin will take a long time to keep it supple and supple. A healthy diet is essential for a glowing skin. For your body and skin, a healthy diet is very important. Fresh fruits and vegetables are storerooms for vitamins and minerals that are vital to our bodies. For youthful and glowing skin, strive to include them in your daily diet. Additionally, beauty supplements can give your skin a gentle, nutrient-loaded nudge in the right direction. Adding glutathione, sodium hyaluronate, and vitamin C to your radar is dermatologists. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up for more interesting content, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.